back to our super fun drawing channel, Magic Drawing. Today, we're doing something amazing. We're drawing lots of foods, coloring them, and then sorting them into healthy food and unhealthy food. Are you excited? Yes! Let's begin. First is an orange. Nice circle. Color it bright orange. They have vitamin C that keeps us from getting sick. Where does it go? That's right! It's healthy! Now a banana. Long curve. Color it yellow. They give us power and help our muscles stay strong. Where does it go? That's right! It's healthy! A big burger. Bun, lettuce, meat, cheese. Color all the layers.
Can be heavy and make us feel sleepy if we eat too many.
Where does it go? It's unhealthy. Next, let's draw a shiny apple. Round shape, little leaf. I'll color it red. It helps keep our heart healthy and give us energy to play. Where does it go? That's right! It's healthy! Let's draw a crunchy carrot. Long pointy shape, leafy top, color orange and green. Where does it go? That's right! It's healthy! Ice cream! 3 scoops and a cone. Color it any flavor you love.
But eating too much can make us feel tired.
Where does it go? It's unhealthy. It's a red strawberry full of vitamins that help our skin glow. That's right! It's healthy! Let's draw a bottle of milk. Easy rectangle. Color it light blue and white. It helps our bones and teeth grow strong. That's right! It's healthy! A hot dog. Bun. Sausage. Color it red and beige. It has lots of salt and are not very healthy for our body. Where does it go? It's unhealthy. Peanut butter, my favorite! Jar shape. Label, color it brown. It gives us protein to stay strong. Where does it go? That's right! It's healthy! It's a fish! It has fins, scales. Color it gray. It helps our brain grow and makes us smart. Where does it go? That's right! It's healthy! Now a yummy cookie. Circle, chocolate chips. Color it light brown. They are sweet treats we should enjoy once in a while. Where does it go? It's unhealthy. Some beans. Oval shapes. Color them brown or red. It helps our muscles grow and keep us full. Where does it go? That's right! It's healthy! Let's draw chicken. Simple drumstick shape. Color it brown. It helps our muscles grow big and strong. Where does it go? That's right! It's healthy! Fries! Long sticks. Color them yellow. Taste good, but have lots of oil that isn't good for our body. Where does it go? It's unhealthy. A bowl of rice. Small grains. Color it white. It fills our tummy and gives us long-lasting energy. Where does it go? That's right! It's healthy! A slice of whole wheat bread. Color it beige and brown. It gives us energy so we can run, jump, and play. Where does it go? That's right! It's healthy! Soda can! Color it red or blue. It has lots of sugar that isn't good for our teeth or heart. Where does it go? It's unhealthy. Draw a stalk of wheat, long lines, little seeds. Color it yellow. It is used to make bread and gives our body strength. Where does it go? That's right! It's healthy! A bowl of oatmeal. Circle bowl. Color it light, whatever you want. It keeps us warm and gives us energy in the morning. Where does it go? That's right! It's healthy! Draw a chocolate bar. Rectangle with squares. Color it brown. Too much chocolate can hurt our teeth. Where does it go? It's unhealthy. Spinach time. Little leaf shapes. Color them green. Makes us strong, just like a superhero. Where does it go? That's right! It's healthy! Let's draw a cucumber. Long shape, tiny seeds. Color it green. It has lots of water to keep us hydrated. Where does it go? That's right! It's healthy! Chips! A bag with curved chips. Color it bright. They are salty snacks that we should only eat sometimes. Where does it go? It's unhealthy. Now broccoli. Puffy top like clouds. Short stem. Color it green. Makes our bones strong and keeps us healthy. Where does it go? That's right! It's healthy! Now a tomato. Round shape, a green crown. Color it red. Tomatoes help our eyes and skin stay healthy. Where does it go? Sure, that's right. It's healthy yum yum. Donut. Circle with hole, icing, sprinkles. Color it pink or chocolate. Are full of sugar. Yummy, but only for special days. Where does it go? It's unhealthy. Next is zucchini. Long, oval, little stripes. Color it green. Gives us vitamins that help our tummy feel good. That's right! It's healthy! Now it's yogurt time! Color it any color you like! It helps our tummy with good bacteria that keep us healthy. Where does it go? That's right! It's healthy! Yummy cheese. Triangle with holes. Color it yellow. It helps our teeth and bones get stronger. Where does it go? That's right! It's healthy! Now finally, it's meat time! Oval with lines, color it red! Gives us iron for strong blood and lots of energy! Where does it go? That's right! It's healthy! Wow! Look at all those healthy foods! These help our bodies grow strong, make our brains smart, and give us lots of energy. Unhealthy food tastes yummy, but we should only eat them sometimes because too much can make us feel tired and not so healthy. You did an amazing job today! We drew, colored, and learned which foods help us stay strong and healthy. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe so you never miss a fun drawing lesson. See you next time, friends!